County, Southwest. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a flash flood warning for Southwestern Yell County in central Arkansas, Northwestern Montgomery County in western Arkansas, Polk, P.O.L.K. County in western Arkansas, Southeastern Scott County in western Arkansas, until 9:15 p.m. At 5:20 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is between 1 to 2 inches per hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Mena, Wicks, Hatfield, Odin, Vanderbilt, Opal, Shady, Mena Intermountain Airport, Muddy Creek Wildlife Management Area, Polk, P.O.L.K. County Fairgrounds, Gravelly, Cossatot River State Park, McCalloway, Foosh Valley, Cove, Acorn, Big Fork, Pine Ridge, Cherry Hill and Polk, P.O.L.K. County and Cedar Creek. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. In heavy rain, there are hundreds of low-water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route.